Up, up, up. Nice one. Okay.
Ano yun?
Okay.
Parang may nagkarak ka.
Hinga malalim. Exhale. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Relax the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Nice one. Relax. Snap lang, no? Good. Nice. How's it?
Possible pala talaga yun.
Yes? So, hello, good morning. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I am chiropractic specialist. Andito po kami sa Marikina Sports Complex at kasama ko si Sir
Marcus?
Mark Cruz. Okay, so Sir, kamusta po yung pinaka nagiging kondisyon ng inyong katawan?
Back pain.
Back pain? Gaano kadalas yun? During ba ito ng game?
Practice namin, mga practice namin.
Mga practices. Gaano siya kangalay or kasakit? From 1 to 10, 10 yung pinaka-highest.
Mga 7 to 8, nag-range doon.
Pagka nakapagpahinga ka, nawawala ba to masyado?
Nawawala naman pero yung awit nandun pa rin.
Andun pa din.
Mga 5, ganyan, 4, 5, ganyan.
Okay, sige. Magkakaroon tayo ng quick physical test. Posture up. Good. Nice. Turn to your right, left. Sa tingin mo, saan yung masikip?
Kanan.
Tingala. Yan. Ang pinaka-normal is about 90 degrees right here. Let's stand up. Now, ang gagawin natin ay back bend.
So dito ako magkakaproblema.
Ready and go. Back.
Hindi, okay pa naman.
And up. Okay. Kamusta yan?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Bend forward.
Yan ang problema.
Kamusta yung hamstring mo?
Medyo may hila na siya.
May hila? Okay. Bend forward again. Sige. So, meron lang tayong konting misalignment dito sa may lumbar mo, kaya nagkakaroon ng pangangalay ng madalas. Diretso. Go up. Mabigat hindi?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Okay, sige, kabila. Okay, very good yung rotation nito. Tignan mo yung kabila. Anong difference? Medyo tight ng konti. Okay? So, first, i-stretch ko yung quads mo, ha?
Okay.
Go. 1. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Kaya? Inhale. Exhale 4. Nice one. Good. Last one. Inhale. Exhale 5. Nice one. Good. Okay. Exhale. Very good. Okay. Good. Sabay mo itataas.
Okay.
Very good. Up, up, up. Nice one. Okay. How's that?
Ano yun?
Okay.
Parang may nagkarak ka.
Ito. Yeah, sige. Ako magbubuhat. Go inhale. Exhale. Relax. Good. Nice. Okay. Okay. Exhale. Good. Okay. Nice one. Nice. How's that? Tignan mo yung kabila. Parehas na?
Yes.
Nice. Mas light na yung pinakakanan mo.
Mas light
Tama.
na.
So, inhale. Exhale. Go down. Very good.
Oh!
Hinga malalim. Exhale. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Nice one. Okay. Okay.
Matay. Oh!
Nag-o-observe ko. Good.
Oh!
Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Relax the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Nice one. Exhale. Shoulder down. Very good. Okay. So, very good yung pinaka left.
Left ko.
Exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Very good. Nice one. Relax. Snap lang, no? Good. Nice. How's it?
Possible pala talaga yun.
Yes? Relax. Snap. Nice one. Alright, so I'm Master again at kasama ko si Sir Mark
Mark Cruz.
So, kamusta Sir Mark Cruz? Ay yung pinaka-procedure ng therapy natin?
Sarap ng feeling. Alam mo yung parang nawala yung tightness ng katawan ko. So,
Good.
ayan, matetesting ko mamaya.
Nice. Okay. Satisfied naman?
Yes, very
Nagulat
good.
ka o natakot ka?
Nagulat ako. Nagulat
Nagulat.
ako na parang like sa ear, like
Ah.
possible pala talaga na may mga tutunog pa dyan.
Yes,
So,
mhm.
very
Interesting.
Nagulat talaga ako. Grabe.
Good. Thank you so much for trusting, ano? Picture po tayo?
Thank
Okay
you.
lang?